Kinabalu from Tambunan. You a bit of history. This was the site of Mat Saleh's fort, which was captured by North Borneo Armed Constabulary on the 1st February 1900. So it is stated here. Mat Saleh is one of the famous warrior in Sabah that actually led an uprising against the colonizers. Museum in Tambunan, free of charge to enter. You can actually go for a little bit of history behind Tambunan. There is also a place to stay here called Mahukua Rainforest Paradise. You can visit the FB for more, or you can just contact the numbers